Hey guys, today I have a huge makeup haul and like literally pretty much 90% of it is for giveaways. So yeah, this is probably going to be a long one, so let's just get straight into it. Everything is mixed up, it's all just in boxes because I just needed to carry it out. So yeah, there's like no order, it's just all random order, and yeah, let's just get into it. The first thing is actually like PR, and this is from Platinum Media, and they sent me some eyelashes, which I think is really sweet. So it says, experience Eyelure's expertise with a pair of stunning lashes. We can't wait to hear your thoughts and see what looks you create. If these falsies are your new fave, we would love you to post and share with your loyal followers. And this is how the lashes look. They are so different from my normal, but I do want to do like a simple, nice look with these lashes. This is how they look here. They're, yeah, obviously like quite different to my normal lashes, but I'm still excited to try them out, and I'm very appreciative of it. So thank you, Platinum Media and Eyelure. I really appreciate it. So yeah, we're just going to go box by box pretty much. Okay, so the first thing is I got myself the 35XO Natural Flirt palette. This one sold out really quick, which I thought was weird. It sold out on Morphe, it sold out on Mecca, and that doesn't normally happen with Morphe palettes apart from like the James Charles one, I think maybe the Jacqueline Hill one, but like normally like for the last couple of releases like everything's been in stock for a while, but this one was obviously a very popular palette. So I'm excited. I'm going to review the whole holiday collection, which I'm very excited about. This is how it looks here. It's so pretty, and yeah, it's just actually such a beautiful palette. It gives me very Colourpop vibes. Like when I first saw this palette, I thought it was a new Colourpop palette, but no, it's Morphe and it's super cute, and I'm very excited to try it out. It's very like pretty and pink, and yeah, I feel like the Natural Flirt is such a good name for it. So yeah, I got that. Then I also got the Brush Lust 10-piece eye brush thing. So I got a few of these. This one is for me, so I'll open it and show you guys what the brushes look like. They're super cute. They're just like these little gold brushes. I'll get one out for you. Just look like this. Like they're super cute. I really do love Morphe brushes. So yeah. And then this is the brush bag. I actually really like it. It's like this metallic pink shade. Very sweet. I think the only thing I didn't get was the eyelashes, just because, I don't know, they just weren't really my vibe, I guess. I got myself the Mist Me, Mist You Continuous Setting Mist Duo. I think this is such a good idea because these are just like the best setting mists. The worst thing is I don't think you can ship aerosols. Like I don't think I can ship aerosols like in my giveaways. They always ask me like, do you have aerosols? And I'm like, no. So I never put these in my giveaways, but I do really love this, and so it comes with a big one and a mini one, which is so cute, and I'm so excited because I love the continuous setting mist. Then I got the Out and About Sweet Tea Lip Trio. This one comes with a matte lipstick, a lip gloss, and a colour pencil, all in the shade Sweet Tea. I'll do swatches in the actual review video, but it's just like this kind of like brownie color. Looks really pretty. And then the last thing from the collection that I got is the Eye and Face Shimmer in Sparkling Champagne. This was like really expensive. It was like $30 for this one thing, which I just thought was so weird because like it's so small, but yeah, it costs $30. I don't know why, but yeah, it says it's a Eye and Face Shimmer. It is very pretty, but yeah, I just don't know why $30, like that's just a weird price. Anyway, but yeah, I got that one. They have a few different shades of that, but I got, yeah, Sparkling Champagne. And then I also got the mascara to try out. So I got the Big Prime and the Make It Big mascara. So I got, yeah, the primer and then the mascara, which I'm really excited as well to try that out. I got a Morphe X James brush set, the eye brush set, for giveaway. And then I got one of the Morphe, I got this brush sets for a giveaway. So yeah, that's the first box done. On to the second box. I got another one of the eye brush sets, the Morphe X James ones. I think I got like 5 of them. in this haul, maybe, I don't know. Then I got one of the mini palettes. You guys have seen that a million times, I don't need to show you. I got myself one of the Clean at Zero Vanilla Co cleansing balms. I'm really excited. I absolutely love my Clinique ones, so I'm excited to try like a new brand and see what it's like. And then I got two of their 9pan palettes. I got the 9C Colour Me Cool. These are like their more colourful eyeshadow palettes that they just released. They all look so sweet. So this is the 9C. Like, isn't that so pretty? I really like that palette. It is so cute, and it's all like very cool tones, which I just think is so sweet. And then I also got the 9L 11 Days, which is like a more purpley toned palette. These are both for giveaways as well, by the way. Okay, so this is the 9L one, which is really pretty. It reminds me of the purple palette that Kylie came out with a few years ago. Do you remember like when she used to do her 9pan palettes? They were like the first ones she came out with, and they were like real big in the makeup community for a while. But yeah, they remind me of the Kylie ones that she came out with. Alright, box 3. I also did a Colourpop order, so there's a mixture of Colourpop and Morphe in here. The first thing I got was the Cloud Dye Palette Vault. So this comes with 3 palettes in it. It comes with the Miss Bliss, the Inner Trance, and the Aura and Out. I'm not going to open them all because I've showed you guys them heaps of times on my like in my other makeup hauls and stuff. But I got those for a giveaway. Then I got the Lilac You A Lot palette, the Mint to Be palette, the Making Morphe palette, and the Nude Mood palette, all for giveaways as well from Colourpop. Maybe this won't be as big as as long as I thought, but anyway. I got myself the Jacqueline Master Remix collection, and this one comes with 15 eye and face brushes, which I'm really excited. I have not bought face brushes in the longest time, and this is just how they look, just like the normal Jacqueline ones, so I'm really excited to have that. And then I got the Morphe x Nikita palette. I think I have like 2 of these, but I'm really conflicted on what to do because people ask for it in the giveaway. It is such a cool palette, by the way, like that is so cool. And I don't know if I should review it as well or if I should, because I think I've got 2, so I could do one in the giveaway and one like review it, but I don't know guys, I don't know, but it's, yeah, it is a really cool palette. I do really like it. It's very different and unique. I just don't know how much use I get out of it. I really like the middle shade called Metamorphosis. I feel like that's like this one here. I feel like that's probably the star of the show. But yeah, it is such a cool palette, and I do really love the whole packaging design. Like, that is the coolest thing. But yeah, I don't know, I'm so conflicted, so you guys will have to let me know if you want to see me review it, or if you would prefer to have like 2 chances at getting the palette, if you know what I mean. Then I got another of the James mini palettes, so I've got 2 of them. This I'm so excited about. I've never had this before. This is the James the 34-piece brush collection. I'm so excited. I got 2 of these. I got one for me and one for a giveaway, which I'm so excited about because I think this will make the coolest giveaway prize. 34 brushes is a whole lot of brushes, and you also get a sponge as well, so I'm so excited. So this is the sponge, and then these are all of the brushes. There's so many in there. I'm so excited. I love the James Charles brushes that I've got. And I love my Jacqueline ones, so yeah. Oh, are these like, were his just curated? I think they were just curated. Like, I don't think they have his name on it. I think they're just like the ones that he chose, if you know what I mean. But anyway, I'm so excited for that. 34 brushes. I'm never gonna have to wash my brushes again. No, I really need to, honestly. I have so many dirty ones, but anyway. So yeah, I got one of those. It comes in this big tubey thing and just says like Morphe X James, so that's cool. I'm really surprised James doesn't have his own makeup brand. I really thought he would by now. Anyway. And then these next few things I got for myself. So I got myself one of the Nikita Morphe eye brush sets. These look so cool, so I had to get them. And this is the, hang on, sorry, can't get it open. This is the box here. It just has the same design as like the palette does. And then these are the brushes here. They're just like black with the metallic hot pink. And then they have Nikita on it in green, which I love. You guys know the green is my favorite color. So I was like, yeah, that's cool. That is cool. Then I got myself another one of the Madison Beer Luminous setting sprays. I have this one here, which is in the shade Seal the Deal. But then I got this one, which is the darker shade. And I don't even know if it's going to work for my skin, but I don't care because it's so pretty. This is the lockdown shade. Like, look at it. This is the difference. So you can see that this one is more of like a kind of peachy champagne-y, and this one's like a straight gold. But oh, I'm so excited. I love it. It's such a good setting spray, and it's just so pretty. And then I also got myself the Colourpop Pretty Fresh setting mist, which I'm really excited. Shanexo raved about this so much, and it was out of stock for so long. So yeah, I'm really excited to have that and to try that. Alright, we have one last box and then we're done. So maybe this video isn't as long as I thought. Anyway. I swear there was like more stuff, but maybe not. I have another one of the James Charles eye brush sets. So there's going to be lots of those to win in these giveaways, which is cool. I got another one of the Nikita brush sets. I won't open this one because it's for a giveaway. And then I got another one of the brushless sets, which once again, I won't open for it because it's for a giveaway and I've already showed you those. I got another mini James Charles palette. People are always asking for them and they always like seem to be like the main thing that people want, so like you can never have enough. I got another one of the 4-piece brush sets from Morphe. Who is texting me? And then I got the Dream Big palette from, Vault from Colourpop, which comes with 6 eyeshadow palettes. We have Main Squeeze, Orangey Glad, Honey, Just My Luck, Blue Moon, and It's My Pleasure. So that's really cool. I'm gonna put this in, like, I'll do like a big giveaway again, I think, and also some smaller ones. So I think I'll put this one in like the big giveaway. I feel like that's such a cool prize. But yeah, this one is called like the Dream Big Palette Vault. So yeah, that'll be in a giveaway. Once again, I got another Nikita brush set, and then another one of the I Got This brush sets. I got the Morphe x Madison palette. People were asking for this one as well, so I thought I'd pick up one of those. I got 2 more Colourpop palettes. I got Going Coconuts and Baby Got Peach. I got a 4th James eye brush set. Oh my god, I have so many of them. But yeah, anyway. And then last but not least, we have another one of the big James sets. And I think I've just got one more package to come for giveaways and then I'm done, hopefully. So yeah, by the time you're watching this, the giveaways will have already started, so make sure you go enter them. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching this video. I really hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!